right, social distancing at its finest. What's up, YouTube? DapperxDan here. Beautiful evening here in Colorado. Hopefully we'll catch a good sunset, but I don't think so. There's too many clouds. Currently, it's about, I don't know, 65 degrees. Earlier today, it got up to like 75 degrees. It was so nice. I was outside making a video on the R1. You guys will probably see in next week or the week after. But it's finally warm enough to take that windshield off of this, get it back to looking proper. Yeah. And because of the coronavirus, I'm not really going anywhere anyway, so if I were to ride in the mornings, it would probably be in the 40s. But since I'm not going anywhere, I can just wait until the afternoon to take a nice little ride. A smart car delivering for Domino's. I haven't seen that before. Alright then. Those are some of the ugliest cars. I don't know why people get those. I guess for the good gas mileage, but I get better gas mileage on my motorcycles. Hey, we got some other people riding. Hey, what's up, guys? A supermoto and a bagger. Really? Another red light. Ooh, look at that. $1.98 for gas. What is gas prices at where you guys are? I heard it's like it's been in like a $18-20 barrel of oil, and an empty barrel, the barrel itself costs $25. So these oil companies are literally like losing so much money selling the oil for 18 bucks. But that's just the state of the economy right now. Everything is crazy because of this coronavirus. Hey, what's up, blah? What's up, man? Hopefully this bus does not pull out on me. Stay. Alright, good. Hey, we got some more fam. What's up? Ooh, there's my favorite Chinese restaurant right there. At Canton Palace. Everything is literally like delivery only now. It's crazy. And I definitely missed my turn. Oof. That was a little steeper than I thought it would be. They keep saying that the coronavirus is going to get even worse too. It's really bad in Italy, and people aren't staying home here like they're supposed to. That's not a cup. I don't know why you were braking for. And we're gonna hit this red light too, of course. Ooh, Model 3, I like that. That's the one Tesla I like. Model S is whatever, the Model I is like, Y is like eh. But I definitely like those Model 3s. That would be the one that I would get. Oh, come on. These lights are all messed up because of this coronavirus too. Everywhere I go, I always hit every single red light.
2,000 years later.
Hopefully I trigger this turn signal. I don't think I will though. That's a really nice Tacoma. Alright, here we go. Come on, give me the turn signal. Oh wow. Alright, there's a car behind me. That's probably what triggered it. Hey, is that a Ducati? Nice. Very nice. Oh my gosh. Those Schwans guys are the worst. There was one time I got a coupon for Schwans. I only ever made an order once, one time, and that was it. That's all it took. I had a coupon for 50% off your entire order up to $100. So what did I do? I ordered $100 worth of food and only paid $50 for it. And they delivered my food. I was happy with my order. But literally after that, every other day they would be back at the house. Oh, you want to order something else? Oh, hey, we got ice cream or whatever on the truck. You want to order something? Every other day. It was like all the time too. Oh my goodness. Finally, it was like after months and months of them doing that, like they finally stopped. Like I kept telling them, no, it was just a one-time order. I don't think I'm gonna order anymore. I just had a coupon, that's all it was. I don't think I'm ordering anymore. And of course, another red light. Really? You're gonna turn on your lights just to go through the light? Even from this turn lane all the way over there. Oh, maybe they actually had an emergency because there's still lights are still on. Anyway, the moral of the story is those Schwan's guys are relentless. They must make some kind of commission or something on their sales, because he just kept on coming and coming and coming, and I was like, sorry, I'm good. Nice, I like that Jurassic Park tire cover. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I bet they make some sort of commission on everything that you order, because he was relentless. He kept on coming back. But finally, they decided to stop coming after like, it had been 15-20 times that I turned them down. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to talk about today. It's been a pretty boring week again. Not much to do. And tomorrow we're supposed to get some more snow. So we'll see what happens there. Ah, the bugs are out. I'm getting bugs all over my face shield now. Anyway, guys, if you liked today's video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Hey, or not. And leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Later. Hey, there we go.